Steno Wale Babu welcomes you. Shorthand dictations in male and female voice from all sources like magazines, speeches, and editorials at various speeds up to 120 WPM for various departments like SSC, DSSB, CRPF, Delhi Police, etc. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.
Exercise number 3. Honorable members, under Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana, 4,900 Jan Aushadhi centers have already been opened in more than 600 districts. More than 700 different medicines are being dispensed at low cost in these centers. Similarly, reduction in the cost of cardiac stents has resulted in an annual saving of about rupees 4,600 crores to the poor and middle class. Reduction in cost of knee replacement has led to an annual saving of about rupees 1,500 crore. My government has provided the facility of dialysis free of cost to those suffering from kidney diseases. This has resulted in a saving of more than rupees 2,000 per session for these people. In addition, for a premium of just 1 rupee a month under Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana and 90 paise a day under Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, as many as 21 crore poor brothers and sisters have been provided with insurance coverage. An assistance of rupees 2 lakh in the event of an untoward incident is made available to them under both the schemes by disbursing more than rupees 3,100 crore under these schemes. Till now, my government has supported the people in their times of difficulty. My government is also striving hard to alleviate the challenge of malnutrition among poor women and children. My government has launched the National Nutrition Mission for persons suffering from malnutrition and to eliminate the factors responsible for malnutrition. Mission Indradhanush has been launched by the government to provide immunization facilities to children and pregnant women living in remote and tribal areas. As a result, the country has moved rapidly towards the target of universal immunization. Be it cities or villages, the government is working at a fast pace to strengthen the healthcare and related infrastructure. New medical colleges are being set up by the government, district hospitals are being upgraded, and wellness centers are being established in all major panchayats of the country. From Madurai in Tamil Nadu to Pulwama in Jammu and Kashmir, and from Rajkot in Gujarat to Kamrup in Assam, new aims are being established. Government is setting up new Ayurveda science institutes and encouraging yoga for physical and mental well being. To address the shortage of doctors in rural areas, 31,000 new seats have been added in medical education in the last 4 years. Thank you.